Right, to start this project guys, I'm cutting this piece down to a 30cm length and about 3cm wide. This is going to be used for the handle. Then I'll take this now over to the chop saw, cut that down to size, and then run it through the table saw to get the right width. Now the head I'm cutting down to 13cm long, and then I'm using this strip of walnut on the outside, so I'm using that as the height. Again, over to the chop saw, cut that down. Now this is a scrap piece of walnut I have from my wireless charger project, which I'll link above. I'm actually using these for the sides. One more pass on the table saw to get the head to the right size. Now I'm marking the width of the handle, and I'll be removing that section, and then I'll be cutting it down into two pieces. Quick test fit, making sure it's all okay. And then if you're happy with it, time to glue up. Now I can't remember why I didn't glue it all in one go with the middle on both sides, but I'm sure you can. And then once you've got this glued and clamped, we can start making the handle. Now on the handle, I'm marking where the head would sit. On that section, I don't want to have any contours or shaping. And then for the handle design, I'm using a hammer that I've got. Gives me a rough guide, and it's quite comfortable to hold. Adding a bit more glue and adding the other layer. Clamp that and leave that on the side. Now on the table router, adding the curves for the handle, and then these will be rounded off as well, all four edges or corners. I do apologise for how boring my voice is, guys. This is actually my second recording, and I probably won't sound any more enthusiastic. So let me know in the comments, should I voice over, should I just stick to subtitles or music? A little bit of sanding. And then here's the wedge I made. I filed it by hand. And then I'm cutting the ends of the head down at 5-degree angles. 10 would probably be best, 15 may be too much. Again on the table router, rounding off the edges of the head. Here I'm applying a good amount of glue. You can see as well I've cut out a slot which will accommodate the wedge. So spread the glue evenly, squeeze that into the mallet head. Always wipe off excess glue, makes it a lot easier. And then glue and hammer in the wedge. Trimming off the excess and then give it a good sanding again. And then everyone's favourite part, apply your choice of oil, stain or finish. This is my first time making a mallet. I'm happy with it, I think it looks good, it was fairly simple to make. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.